Hello and welcome to Teachmint. This video will help you understand how to create and share assignments with students through Teachmint. To get started, scroll towards the Assignments tab and click on it. Click on the Plus Assignments button. Enter the topic of your choice here, be it polynomials, differentiation, integration, whatever subject that you want to assign, enter the topic here. Enter the submission date. Here we are choosing 25th September. Choose the submission time that you want and enter description if any. Say if it is from page 60 to 70, add that here. The maximum marks that are going to be awarded for the assignment and add attachments if any. Click on the Save and Create button. You can choose whether to add a solution or not. The students won't be able to see the solution unless you have submitted the assignment. Now the assignment has been created. To view submissions, just click on the View Submissions button. And to evaluate the assignment, just click on the Evaluate button. The students can share the assignment as a picture, an image, or screenshot. You can view it by downloading it. You can score the assignment and give feedback if any. The students and their parents will be able to see the feedback and understand where they stand on the learning curve. Thank you for choosing Teachmint. Happy teaching!